If you're interested in learning how to say different games in Spanish, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's Spanish vocabulary lesson is all about games. We're going to learn the words for card game, board game, video game, guessing game, and dice game. Let's start with card game. In Spanish, card game is juego de cartas. Let's break it down. Juego de cartas. Juego de cartas. If you wanted to say, I like to play card games, you would say, me gusta jugar juegos de cartas. Our second word for today is board game. Juego de mesa. Juego de mesa. Juego de mesa. If you wanted to say, I like to play board games, you would say, me gusta jugar juegos de mesa. Our third word today is video game. VIDEOJUEGO. 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 If you wanted to say, I like to play video games, you would say, me gusta jugar videojuegos. Our fourth word today is guessing game. Juego de las adivinanzas. Let's break that one down. Juego de las adivinanzas. Juego de las adivinanzas. If you wanted to say, I like to play guessing games, you would say, me gusta jugar juegos de adivinanzas. And our last one for today is dice game, which is juego de dados. Juego de dados. Juego de dados. If you wanted to say, I like to play dice games, you would say, me gusta jugar juegos de dados. Let's review those 5 words. In Spanish, card game is juego de cartas. Board game is juego de mesa. Video game is videojuego. Guessing game is juego de las adivinanzas. And dice game is juego de dados. Now let's test your knowledge. How would you say card game in Spanish? Juego de cartas. What about board game? How would you say board game in Spanish? If you said juego de mesa, you're right. Up next, video game. How would you say video game in Spanish? Videojuego. And next, how would you say guessing game in Spanish? Juego de las adivinanzas. And the last question for today is, how would you say dice game in Spanish? If you said juego de dados, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.